Hello and welcome, and today on the show, I look at a car.
Yo, look at that car, bruh. Look at that car.
Nasir points to a wheel.
Yo, check out the wheel, man.
I haven't been up this early for a car thing in many moons. So yeah, life's just got in the way, very busy. But wife sent me for Kusistas this morning, so I'm gonna take the long way around. And here, everything happening at N1 City. QueenSquad, I don't know what to expect. Kusistas is over there. N1 City is over there. So let's hope it's worth it. But anyways, catch you when I get there. Bye. Cops are already here, bro. Are you serious, my guy? Oh my god. Yay! Look at this! Look at this! So much chicken the vibes. Chicken. Whoa! Fell off. What? Oh shit! It's gone. Okay, so everybody's here now. I just rocked up, so we'll see how it goes. Still very early, but I see the poops already here. Okay, so it looks like the action's starting off nice already. There we go. Here we are.
Hello.
He said hi, not hello.
That's good.
Yes, listen to a man. Oh wait, happy belated birthday, you little shit. Everything alright? So, Zane's out with the S2K. Now it's the first time I'm actually seeing it up close with the new top. And it looks mad, I'm not gonna lie. Top is poppy, man. Sluts. Yeah. Just glistening.
Vlogged in a while.
I haven't. I literally just said now in my video. I'm
I
like,
haven't vlogged in a while. I've only pressed the record button now.
is that? Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Yourself is also. Yeah.
I just said now earlier. I was like, yo, bro, I haven't in such a long time. But it's nice being back. Yeah. Woke up early. Yo, but excited. Okay, let's take a nice walk around while still fresh. And Zane's walking with me. What's going on? Mark 1. Is it a 2-door? No, it's not, but it's an older one. Very cool. Oh, this car was originated in Germany, 1982. Normally came out with a 1.4 naturally aspirated carburetor engine. And yeah, that's it. Next GTI. There's an R. The difference between this and the GTI, don't know. I think it's engine tune and four-wheel drive and so on and so on. Focus. Oh, one of the... It's alright, bro. My tires are so droog on my side there, you won't believe it. Yes, always. Polo. Are we in plus? How's it? So everybody's out today. We got a Porsche. This is a Carrera, I think. No, GTS, no. Yeah, you always look at the side, you see. The front's always throw you off. Oh, this is a Carrera GTS. Okay, close. Real close. 991, I think. What's the difference between the lanes here? 991. 92, 86, charcoal. Lovely. The BMWs, GTI. E30 looking super nice over there. Oh my word, with Schnitzer rims. Type R. Don't know the number of this. All the codes, yo, this thing sounds lovely, man. Wow. You alright, brother? Anything lekker? Wow. Oh, that looks lovely. Type R even 2. I caught this car past me. I got a nice roller from him. Another Type R. Oh, wow. Competition 4-door M3. Oh, 2J. Didn't notice that till now. Another 86, Type R, SIST, GTI. We've got the neon crew over here. Oof. You guys can't even tell how bright this is, bro. Look how cool this look. How's it, brother? Lekker. Oh. Look at Not always people match their cars. That's amazing. She matches a car, bro. Check at that commitment, shoes and everything. Awesome, 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 awesome. Now the orange one matching lights. Oh, look at that. That's actually quite cool, eh? What a combo. I think that's a husband and wife combo over here. Yes, see, fair enough. Golf 8 GTI, new shape. Oh, lovely. Polo, rear facing out. Let's see. Okay. Polo GTI. Ooh, loving the Gucci. Loving the Gucci. Hey, another F2. So yeti. EP3, EP9, whatever. I am so long out the game, guys. I even forgot what code this guy is. That is actually quite sad. Very nice. Let me hit this lap. How's it done? Morning, morning, morning. Sunrise just about to pop. Yo, this bro got the big shit out. No ways. Get away from me, bro. What the hell? Now I'm gonna come and get hey, sweet talking to. Look just for a second how similar a Porsche in 86 looks. Look at that. Very similar design language, especially coming over the fender over there. Very, very similar. Look at that rear window. Something you never really look at once they're next to each other, you kind of notice. Eons on there. Sorry, my dude.
Legend here?
Oh, no, no legend, my guy. No legend. This legend is so old. Nice seeing you out. Nice seeing you out, brother. Okay. Okay, the cars are now slowly starting to woo. Whoa. Chassis. Wow, my goodness, would you look at that, Sally? So yeah, very nice turnout. Good to see you after such a long time. And the focus today is actually ladies, so lady drives, lady driven cars. So yeah, actually quite nice. 370Z, very, very cool. Completely stock. Maybe exhaust on there. Very nice. There's the sunrise. Welcome, sunrise. Good morning to you. Whoa, hello. Is on bags? It's on bags. Since when is it on bags? Has it always been on bags? Shoo. Man. Quick question. Since when is this car on bags?
Oh, Imad.
Since when?
On bags now all of a sudden? Yarr.
It shocked me. It shocked me good. It shocked me real good. Yes, so. Wow, with a fat wheel on, bro. Check it, man. So, the Monster sponsored van over here. Are they giving out Monsters today? I don't know. Oh, it looks like it. It looks like there's something in the back. So, Monsters today for day. Yes. And then we got Edo Speck over here. He's also on bag since a month ago. How's it, brother? Had je nou heel dag gezegd? Ja, had je nou And the auntie's over here. Let me go focus on this accord. Because people don't favor these ones much. They rather prefer the old one. But this one looks nice, man. What do you think, guys? Between the two, favorite? Hey? Tell me there. What is your cup of tea between those two? Keep it calm today. Let's keep it calm today. We know this one. But not an O today. Not an O today. Looks like the lady friend has borrowed it for today. And then, yeah. Hi, salam. Hey, broers. Weer een flipping wall and all. I didn't see you coming. I didn't see you come. Everybody's standing in front of the car. Can't get a nice shot, but there you go. And then we got Ghosty. Oh, hello. There's more. There's more coming up. There's like 5 in there. All the guys. These are stunts. Nostalgic. And this guy. Who else is here? I saw Edo for a second in the lift. Wow. Pretty cool having everyone out today. Pretty cool. Pretty cool having everyone out. I'm just gonna take a walk on the sea roads. Man's got the bull on and everything. Let's go. Let's go.
Are you guys going?
No.
Oh, we're just here for the start location.
I'm supposed to just buy sisters and come home. That's a problem, you understand? And I don't have the sisters yet.
You know what?
So,
fuck it.
State the obvious here. So from what I can tell, oh my goodness, oh, lovely. Bag of 8. Bag. Is this bag? Damn. Damn. From what I can tell, these guys find out about the car stuff and then they actually come and then securitate, you know. But for now, this is how events are going to go, I take it. That when there are big breakfast runs like this, there are going to be cops and you won't get the sort of action or sort of craziness that you used to get. So like I said, car meets, breakfast runs and stuff like they used to be, that's over. That whole part of it is gone. It's the same 5 or 6. That's another car. One of the cars that can absolutely decimate you. Another is 2000, so the ratio of his 2000 is 3 to whatever. It's actually 3 here today. Very cool. Oh, I like this wheel. So it's S2000 with a barrel lip on it. Yeah, I just realized, look at the size of that wheel on the S2K over there. It's massive. That 20s? What is that? It's massive, bro. Actually, nice thing to see it out also. It's the reunion. And then, yeah. So this is about it. It looks like pretty much no one else is coming, but it is very, very nicely packed today. Very nice after such a long time. So nice to see it out. Got Ivan with his signature hold the camera on the shoulder move. Sun peeking nicely. Oh, too nice. Thank you, my sir. Nice run sticker. Typical. These are licensed stickers. I will keep that. Thank you very much, QueenSquad. I won't be going with on the. Well, fuck you, man. Fuck you. This dude fucking live and he's getting me, my bro. This bruh. Anyways, I won't be going on the run because I gotta get Kusistas. I remember Kusistas and I still don't have the Kusistas. So I'm gonna go get the Kusistas and then go home. Okay, I'm out. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe down below. See you in the next video. Hope you liked it. Back in the swing of things, always. Back in the swing of things. If you see me in the runs, or if you're in the runs, let me know. I'll be posting when I find them. But yeah, for now, I'm out. I'm out. Bye. Got another S2000? That makes it 4 S2000s here right now. That's a big S2000 ratio.
It's 8,000.
That's a very big S2000 ratio. Look at this. So GTI almost GTI. Why did it? Oh, that's nice. It's like 8 in a row there. Nice. Means it's off already. So we even have a cop on the side there, just trying to put a halt to proceedings as you do. Yeah, the one's supposed to be leaving now. Gonna hand out, that's literally the last of the bunch. Very nice seeing everybody out again. Very, very cool. 2000 combo. And then we got the uncles here, yeah, see. Ons maar katten die ouwens.